everyone, I want to introduce my brand new knit-along cardigan to you. This is called Guggen and it's going to be launching in May 2020, and as I suspect a lot of you have time in your hands, you might enjoy getting into a cardigan knit-along. Now if you are new to cardigan knitting, then this should hopefully be quite helpful for you, because along with the knit-along I have got a workshop that goes with it, a video workshop where each new technique is shown in the video and it'll work its way through each section of the pattern. As we're going as well, I will give lots of tips as we're working through it, so suggestions for changes or kind of problems that you might run into and ways of avoiding them. So I'll give you a little overview of the cardigan now. It is knit in my newer sports weight, and this particular colour is cerebellum. It begins right here at the front of this front here with the provisional cast on, and then you do a buttonhole row and you begin knitting sideways. The top of it is a slip stitch panel and it's shaped with a smaller neck and it wider at the bottom by using German short rows. The bottom part is knit straight down. Then you get over here, you take that part off, knit the body sideways, and then afterwards come back and knit the sleeve. And once you've reached that far, you've actually done everything that you're going to do for the cardigan, and you're going to keep going around the back, work your way over to the other sleeve and finish off the front. And it's a really fun thing to knit because of the fact that you're just turning all of the normal garment construction on its side, but it's also very relaxing because once you've got the first repeat done, you're starting to memorize it and you'll find it a very relaxing and soothing knit as you're going through. So come along and join me with the first clue coming out at the start of May. And for now, it's just up in pre-sale so that you can figure out your sizing and get your swatching done. So come and join me.